If you're looking for a place that feels like a dream you haven't woken up from yet, you'll find it here. This is the ultimate escape, the atmosphere. Imagine air so crisp it feels like a reset button for your soul. Everywhere you look, emerald green valleys meet massive snow-dusted peaks that seem to touch the edge of space. The experience. It's the sound of distant cowbells, the mist from hidden waterfalls, and train rides that make you forget your phone even exists. It's where raw nature meets a quiet, perfect kind of luxury. Could you spend a week living in a landscape like this? Tell me what you think in the comments.